Well, it's been fairly wet this week across the valley. Still maybe a little rain on Friday, although it looks like rain chances are dropping through the day on Friday, probably only at about 20%, and then mainly dry this weekend. I think any showers will be pretty far away from us. We'll have to be checking on the path of a tropical storm or hurricane in the Gulf. We'll show you later on when it does try to move north out of the Caribbean. So we'll check on that later this hour. Also, a little bit hotter as the rain chances go down. Sunshine comes back out, and it's probably going to be in the 90s most everywhere this weekend coming up for Saturday and Sunday. So plan on it being not so cool in the afternoon here if you have plans Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. First 1-5 Doppler network now has very little rain on. Just little brief showers are popping up. So I think any showers you see early this evening will be ones that may rain on you for 4 or 5 minutes, and that's really about it. Just little showers moving quickly along to the west. Everything moving along and even somewhat fading away. If we zoom in, you see there have been a couple of showers across the river in Mexico and just a few brief ones that occasionally pop up, move along, and then die near Rio Grande City. A little bit farther east, closer to Edinburgh and Monte Alto, you see a few little showers, but again, these are already starting to fade as well, and a little new shower sprinkle mainly trying to form north of Edinburgh. So again, very little rain falling right now. Even lower valley locations, if you look, occasionally a little dot of a shower pops up for a little bit. You see a new one right there on the north end of Harlingen, but again, a shower that may rain on you for all of 5 minutes at the most. So probably going to be dry for football this evening. Any showers I think are a slim chance of seeing one during the game, but before the game, still maybe a few wet benches out there with temperatures around 85 or so at 7:30 near kickoff time, closer to 80 at halftime, and probably in the upper 70s toward the end of the game. The humidity is still pretty high now, but may start to gradually lower a little bit later tonight, so it may not be quite as sticky out there by late this evening and by tomorrow morning. Currently, it's in the 80s. It's, October, but it's still warm. But the clouds and showers still keeping temperatures down a bit. We're at 92 in McAllen, but most every place else in the 80s, only 80 in Raymondville and 86 in Harlingen. So, again, mainly in the 80s across the valley. The satellite radar, you can see there were more showers this morning. Maybe the rain woke you up this morning. I think it woke me up around about 5 or 6 in the morning briefly, but you can see not too many showers left. The kind of bigger wave of rain went through early this morning, and now there's less and less moisture around. Future track shows not much left over this evening. Between 5 p.m. and 11 p.m., hardly any rain falling, and then by later tonight, most areas look kind of partly cloudy. Tries to show maybe a couple more showers coming in toward the coast in the morning and during the daytime tomorrow. But again, chances of rain dropping to about 20% tomorrow, and I think rainfall amounts even getting lower. So if you do see some rain, we're talking no big bursts of rain, probably just a brief shower here and there that probably gives you no more than a quarter or a half an inch at the very, very most. Tomorrow night looks dry for football, I think, and then Saturday and Sunday over the weekend should stay dry. You notice how Future Track keeps kind of cranking out some showers here offshore. There will be some tropical moisture out there, but probably too far offshore. So I think this might be overdone. I think the weekend is probably going to be a mostly sunny and hotter weekend across the valley. But your first 1-5 7-day forecast, highs around 89 tomorrow, 91 on Saturday, and 93 on Sunday. Those temperatures are going the wrong way for October. We're going up again. And 95 on Columbus Day on Monday with mostly sunny skies and more humidity. Tricky part is with the cold front next week. Models are all over the place with the cold front. So Tuesday, we could see some showers or storms as the front approaches, but the models, again, very iffy on the intensity and the path of the front, whether it really comes blowing through or not. But I think we do have an increasing chance for some clouds and showers, which will help drive down temperatures next week. So maybe not tons of rain, but clouds and showers could drop temperatures next week, especially by Wednesday and Thursday. We'll keep tracking the cold front and the tropics in your first 1-5 forecast coming up.